conservative new media viewers, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal, the four-time national champion, and Paul Villarreal, joining by phone. And I'm the NFL expert, and we're talking NFL. This, Paul, in my personal opinion, besides the game that's already been played with Dallas winning and the correct prediction from the NFL expert, over the New York Giants for the season opener. So besides that game, I think this is the biggest game of the week. We're talking about the Green Bay Packers versus the San Francisco 49ers. Both of these were excellent teams in the last season, and I believe they're both going to be excellent teams this season, Paul. And in fact, we could easily see one of these teams in the Super Bowl. Now, here we have a situation with San Francisco going to Lambeau Field in Green Bay. And I'm telling you right now, in my personal opinion, first of all of our personal opinion only. We're not alleging facts. We're not casting any aspersions. All for entertainment purposes only. Please check the disclaimers. I think anyone can win this game. But I think that the home field advantage is strong for Green Bay in terms of home field advantage. Let me put it that way. So I think that to the extent that the home field advantage matters, I think that it matters maybe a little bit more in Green Bay. Now, that being said, it's early in the season. It's not like we've got, snow on Lambeau Field or anything like that. But, Green Bay has had a great track record of winning at home. But I think this is going to be a very interesting game here to pick. I think this is going to be a very interesting game, and I could easily see either one of these teams winning, no doubt about it. But here's the way I look at it. San Francisco, they have a good running game. They have an incredible defense. Passing game is pretty good. Alex Smith, I think, has stepped up, but they've added weapons there with Randy Moss. They've done some things here. Both of these teams have improved. But then you look on the other hand. You look at the unbelievable passing attack with Aaron Rodgers and the weapons that he has, at the receiving core and everything like that. And now they've added strength in the running game with Benson, okay? And you're talking about someone that has had multiple 1,000-yard plus, over 1,000-yard rushing seasons. Now you've got someone that can be a little bit more of a stronger presence, running north and south. And I think that's going to add another dimension. And I think that, through the draft and some different movements with personnel, I think that they've upgraded the defense that was a little bit of a question mark for the Green Bay Packers. But Paul, bottom line is this Green Bay Packers team last year won a whole lot of games, an incredible amount of games, by just plain out scoring people, Paul. And I think that's what's going to happen in this matchup. I think they're just going to put up too many points at home against San Francisco 49ers. I think they're going to use these new offensive weapons to just, get space and spread out that field and put a different kind of pressure on that San Francisco defense. I think when the San Francisco defense can't play within the confines and the kind of spacing and box that they're used to, and they get, that spread offense really attacks them from different angles, I think that's going to be hard. And, you can talk about pass rush, but when you've got a quarterback in Aaron Rodgers that releases that ball so fast, you just might not be able to get to him in time, Paul.
Yeah, I agree with you. This is definitely, to me, an offense versus defensive game. Green Bay offense versus San Francisco defense. And on the other hand, San Francisco, not a great offense, although, as you mentioned, they've upgraded or tried to upgrade that. We'll see how that works out. It probably, I'm sure, will help them against Green Bay, who had the worst-ranked defense in the league last year by yards per game. I agree with you. I think that Green Bay going to come out at home, going to be fired up for the first game. I do think San Francisco might be able to hold them down, the Green Bay offense, a little bit more than certainly than what it usually would be. But I do think they're going to spread them out. I think that they're going to be able to put some points up on the board, and San Francisco is just not an explosive offensive team. And I think that in the end, they're going to have a difficult time scoring enough points to be able to beat Green Bay in Green Bay. I think that these are relatively evenly matched teams, but this is being played in Green Bay. The crowd is going to be all, super pumped up. First game, I know the Packers want to get some things done and kind of put their last loss behind them, although the Niners do as well. It was think the last time Green Bay took the field was against the Giants in the playoffs, and they lost that game. So, I like Green Bay in this game. I think it could be a close game. It's definitely, to me, the game of the weekend, and I can't wait to watch it.
It's going to be fantastic. There's no question about it, and that's how I see it as well. I think that that the team and the experience with Aaron Rodgers and that team, I think they're going to put some points up, and I think it's going to be hard for San Francisco. I think they're going to be playing catch up the whole time, and that's going to get them more on the passing game than the running game. That's really their strength. So that's what I think is going to happen. I like Green Bay at home. What do you think out there? You tell me where you're at on this. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe above. I'm John D. Villarreal, the 4-time national champion and the NFL expert. That is Paul F. Villarreal. Please rate this video up. Also, please post it to your social networking sites. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.